My video will help you to remove the ransomware called Qepi. This ransomware is from the DJVU ransomware family. It encrypts files and appends the Qepi extension to the file names. Before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your files without troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this particular Qepi ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer, and very soon after restarting the system, users realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware encrypts the files and damages them considerably. Very soon they notice this damaging effect by this Qepi ransomware. So what happens is that you try to open this specific file and you get a message indicating that Windows can't open this type of file with the Qepi extension. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration, but paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner, which you may get on the website combocleaner.com. Go to the website combocleaner.com, download the program, install it, and then once it gets successfully installed, start researching the system. Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. You need to click on this Start Scan button, and the application will first of all update its anti-malware database, so don't skip this very important step. After the anti-malware database is successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their exact locations. Some threats can be removed manually, but are recommended to consider upgrading to premium. This way you can get your trial requested, and Combo Cleaner will help you to protect all your files, all your data from being damaged or encrypted in the future. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover the data.